Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this lovely plant is trailing rosemary. Now most of you will know rosemary for the one that grows up and you chop and put on your roast lamb or your potatoes or whatever you're adding your rosemary into. Now this is basically exactly the same apart from it's trailing. And that means it's a bit more versatile for certain things. So I really like this plant, and you can see it's trailing over the side of the pot. I really like it for growing in containers, and very often when we've done plant shows, RHS shows and things like that, that's how we'll use it. We'll put it in a pot and maybe put it in the display, so you could put it on your patio for example, and it will trail over the side. It has beautiful, almost pure blue, I hope you know what I mean by that, these pure blue flowers, which are really, really nice. And the benefit of it is you can chop it up, so your roast potatoes and lamb I mentioned a second ago, you can use it in exactly the same way. So it is a really, really versatile plant, and it works very, very well. So make sure you check it out. See you soon.